Take a ride in the 2019 RAV4. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, airbags, front passenger seat cushion, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display,